Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share a Stitch Fix, this is a tongue twister, Stitch Fix unboxing with you. Frugal Fit Mom here on YouTube shared a code where it was like $100 credit on your account if you signed up, and I figured the most I had to lose was nothing. So I signed up for the credit and filled out the questionnaire, and then my box came today. A little bit about Stitch Fix. This video is obviously not sponsored. You take a little style quiz, and it's about patterns you like, styles that you like, types of clothing that you like, and then they assign you to a personal stylist for whom you can leave notes. For example, I like simple pieces, like plain t-shirts and cardigans. I like to layer things. I thought I would bring you along and share with you. So I did get Stitch Fix several years ago. I don't even know if I was in this house yet, but it was more than 5 years ago. I got one item which unfortunately didn't fit very well. It was a really pretty lace tank top, but the straps were too short, so it was like scoop way too low. It was really pretty, but that was the only thing I think I ended up keeping. It is a little bit pricier, if I remember correctly, but as I mentioned, I have a $100 credit and I thought I would try it out. It comes with obviously your return shipping bag. All you have to do is put the items you don't want back in here. There's something in here really soft. Ooh, okay, we're gonna move this over here. First item is a blouse. I like this a lot. It's kind of a leopard print blouse with, let's see here, a zipper down the middle, kind of a scoop neck there, longer quarter, I would say these are 3/4 sleeves that are gathered and have a knot on them. Those are really cute. This is actually a top that is longer. It appears in the front than it is in the back, which some people do not like. I do though, because sometimes I want to cover the front section, but I don't like tops that are long in the back. They look too baggy on me. So this brand is called Papermoon, and it's called the Larie tie sleeve blouse, and it's $44. So I will try this one on and give you my thoughts. My only concern is this particular shade of beige is awful close to my corpse skin tone, but we will try it out. I really like that. All right, second thing I'm seeing, I already like. I don't know what it is yet. Let's see. Oh, maybe not. So this is a blouse as well. It's from the brand Colette. It's a dark purple color, kind of an eggplant, and it is heathered. If you can see up close, it's got kind of an off-the-shoulder look, it appears. This is very boxy, and I don't like the way boxy clothes fit on my body type. Usually these don't look very well, but it's super soft. The sleeves, oh, I see, it's a cold shoulder top. It's got the open sleeve here, and I don't know, we'll see. Ooh, I like this a lot. This is a Fortune plus Ivy Rebekah zipper detail blouse. It has the zipper up the middle, those button designs, a V-neck, very standard scooped curved hem, and then it has, you know, these, you have to fold them over. This is pretty sheer, so obviously you would want to wear something underneath it, but it's very cute. I was actually just thinking that I need some dressier clothes for work. So next thing here is from, so this is a pink Clover curved hem pullover. Ooh. I should have mentioned the Rebekah, no, the Fortune Ivy top is $40 and the cold shoulder top is $34. This is $44. It is stripes, which I love. Oh my goodness. I already love this top. It's so cute, and it's a really pretty knit. The bottom hem is curved. I can't wait to try this on. This is so pretty. It's a very, I would say a grayish tone green, and it's so incredibly soft. and the sleeves have this ribbing on them. These look like 3/4 sleeves, which I also like. Obviously, I just don't like long sleeves. I don't like things that touch my hands. So as you can imagine, thumb holes are a no-go. So they did not send me shoes, and I already know I don't like these. All right, so these are the Prosperity Lena Super Skinny Released Hem Skinny Jeans, because skinny jeans will live forever, regardless of what any Gen Z tells you. This is the one thing that I am not a fan of. Girl can't hang, but they're beautiful dark wash jeans. I'm a sucker for dark wash jeans. They have, ooh, that is pretty. The dark wash distressing right there. Not distressing, that's not the right term. They don't look like they're ultra high rise. It looks like they're probably mid to high rise. These are really cute. They're very soft. They remind me of old school American Eagle jeans, which those were my jam, and now American Eagle has turned it into a hipster brand, and I can't wear those. These are $78, so they're a little bit more spendy, but I don't mind spending more on nice jeans. One thing that's all right about this hem down here being released is that I actually cuff all of my jeans anyways, so I could fold it over and easily hide it. So
I enjoyed this shirt, the style, and all the little details, but the color of it was too close to my skin tone, so I decided to pass on it. This is the cold shoulder top. The color is gorgeous. However, the neckline and the overall fit of the top I was not a fan of, so I also passed on this one. So here's a top that I did like. I loved all the little details. It was a little bit longer in the back. The front had that cute zipper and the little accents of the metal beads. I did keep this top. I loved it a lot. So I loved this. The moment I pulled it out of the box, I knew I would be keeping it. The sleeve length is perfect. The bottom hem is gorgeous, and just overall, it's a very quality pullover. Last but not least, we have the jeans. Now, these fit my waist really well. I felt like they were soft and stretchy. I loved the wash. They were mid-rise, I would say. But ultimately, I have really skinny calves, and I didn't feel like they were a true skinny jean. They were more of a boot cut on me, so I passed on them.